Hi guys, I hope everyone's doing good. In today's video, I want to chat to you guys about Nano Dimensions, so ticker symbols NNDM. So Nano Dimensions, they're a 3D printing company which focus on the research and development of 3D printing electronics. But before I get into today's video, check this out. This video is brought to you by Weibo. If you'd like to get 2 free stocks valued at $1,850, check the link in my description box below. Welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, investment discussions, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. With that being said, let's get this bread. So if we have a look at the chart of Nano Dimensions, so ticker symbols NNDM. So as you can see, we've pretty much been bearish for the last couple of weeks. On market open, the share price gapped above the resistance trend line, and currently the share price is below it. If the price had stayed above the resistance trend line, I would have said this was potentially the start of a bullish move. However, if we look at the RSI, although the share price has been bearish the last couple of weeks, the bearish momentum on the RSI hasn't been increasing, even though the share price has been falling. So this is an indication that perhaps the bearish trend is about to end and the bullish trend is about to pick up. So there's a lot more buyers getting in on this stock at the moment. And we can see that from the low of the 5th of March, the RSI was 28.86. However, when the price rose and fell back again, the low of the 24th of March, the RSI was 37.87. And in today's session is bearish, and it looks like it's heading towards a new low or another low, and the RSI value is 39.9. So each time there's a new low, the RSI value is increasing, which indicates that the bearish momentum is decreasing. So looking at the MACD, it looks like the moving averages, i.e. the fast moving average against the signal line, are converging. So what happens when they converge and the blue line goes over the orange line? So this is known as a golden cross. So as well as the RSI, this MACD is showing extra confirmation that perhaps the bearish momentum is decreasing, i.e. the bearish trend is coming to an end and the bullish trend might start picking up. So if we have a look at the moving average, so the 100 period moving average, so this is looking at the trend or the trend direction for the next 3 to 4 months. As we can see, the share price fell below the moving average. So technically, this would have been the start to a bearish trend. All right, so this happened on the 5th of March. Since then, the bulls brought the share price back above the moving average. But since then, the bears have brought the price back down below the 100 period moving average and are currently keeping the price below it. What this means is this is potentially the start to a bearish trend. And also the 100 period moving average coincides with the resistance of $9.52. So guys, right now on the technical note, the buy or sell signals are sort of conflicting each other. Whereas you've got the RSI and the MACD giving potential buy signals, however, you've got the 100 period moving average, the fact that the share price is below the 100 period moving average and has stayed below that for the last week. This indicates that a potential bearish trend is about to start. And also the 100 period moving average coinciding with the resistance at $9.50. So where to go from here on a technical note with NNDM? So what I would suggest is NNDM is potentially a good momentum play. However, you just need to wait till the share price gets above that 100 period moving average and stays above it for a couple of sessions. And if this is the case, this is a strong buy signal, meaning that the bulls have effectively taken the share price back above the 100 period moving average for the next 3 to 4 months, that this could potentially be a good or the start to a strong bullish trend. So on the fundamental note, NNDM's 10K report, so the annual report for 2020, was a lot worse than 2019. So as a company, they didn't do very well in 2020 compared to 2019. So this is where you need to ask yourself whether or not you're looking for NNDM as a momentum play, or if you're looking for NNDM as a long-term hold. If you're looking to get in on NNDM as a momentum play, I would suggest you wait until the share price gets above the 100 period moving average and stays above that for a couple of sessions. That way it gives you confidence that, look, for the next 3 to 4 months, then the share price is likely to be bullish. If you're looking to hold NNDM as a long-term play, you can perhaps wait until they announce the Q1 of 2021's report, just to see if there's an improvement between Q4 of 2020 and Q1 of 2021. That way it will give you a good indication of how they've started the year of 2021 in terms of business and effectively how they mean to go on. So if you enjoy the content that I put out on NNDM, then make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further NNDM content that I upload. And if you like to support the channel, you guys can sign up to my Patreon. The link is in the description box below. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.